Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to register for the prop firm Challenge4Trading. You enter the prop firm section, select Challenge4Trading, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website, click on Sign Up to register. And in this section, you enter your first and last name, along with an email address. And the password, for which I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. In this section, you enter your mobile phone number and click on Register. And you enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created. And please note that to open a live account, you need to purchase a challenge. Good luck.